Mama Kofi Oduro asonte se. Wata asantefo a we dey wagufu big time.
We fight over nonsense.
Fifre to gidi. Ayiro ho a person ni asantefo kono. Ya odai. Na oka Akwaaba ni Obake se whatever no.
There are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve their language to be printed anywhere.
One tribe person lord over all Ghanaians.
You are not the only people who will always be receiving attention.
Which was say Kwame Nkrumah and I be preach you hano Kwame Nkrumah Tikese.
Ensemunu.
Kwawuntin every one the one numa yenim no dey be.
Enye wo mo aden enye obi a what nonsense is that?
Semfu akwa.
Ensemunu a esunifa you bring it to the house of God.
Wani eti kasati asantefo no. Radio na nya bie na ka obi odi.
Petty party political vindictive nonsense.
Akwaaba na asantefo nko na eka. Enyamesam na wo ka no eno ne asantefo na odi yesi waso dem wo.
Yenkasasa.
Kote Akwaaba no fa ko ba alabasta ho. Obi ansuo kurom ha wo. Obi amana no so asantefo.
MPP ebetwam, NDC nso betwam.
So Obake ene Akwaaba controversy no still active. Ma ene America say Kwame Nkrumah Tikese odi na kotene ewo OKFM. Atutu bi ede amayen ayesofu pani. Prophet Kofi Oduro tie undia ubedi dadi opanka na ensam no bebre na akoso amede ebre o kasafidie eso ye fra me Dan Kwasi Prince ha e daily view GH so message also ba no subscribe wa comment every baby o hwe wa subscribe na wa mia notification bell no na busua no etumi akoso akone na before me den some videos ni bi ede ebebro no wo ye company brands individual ankrankwa adwuma eku baby a mi free utie mi free wo pese o advertise e wo daily view GH ye kasafidie so anase ye platform ye so ahomatrofo no na screen so no fa test WhatsApp ene ye mon komo twetwe komo na ye nkyerechire oniema ani so ye beje bre asadaje abo nyuma hu da wura ton nyuma minimum adwuma so a wo anase de oton fa numbers na da screen so no na ene ye mon komo abusia yemra yensem ne so na ye nyina ye beka ya enchai ana overlord of Gas State gamanche ebe kire mu say if you go to Rome you do what Rome do, so if you come to Accra you do what Accra do. Kasa ba ko a enkamia ko yese kata enkranfo kasa so no Akwaaba enchia ene nanseni ne woni na airport ne mantwa ebobo ho Akwaaba ye nyina ye ka bi no gamanche kasa me lo kire mu say da bi if you come to Accra kasa ye betumi aka de ahye oba Akwaaba na mu no Obake.
It's a pleasure to welcome you to Ghana, sir, and to Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Obake. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Obake. Can you say that? Obake.
Emma papa yi be kasa wie ye no abeje ntre ha wotentan kase ne so ma ni nyina mu kura no medical de bebre na ho aba besom
Akwaaba oba turu afina oba atwe yenya ho mesua nyoma Akwaaba na ya che Clinton ne George Bush ne Queen Elizabeth ne Prince one mo and for you know the things you people should be angry over, not Akwaaba oba atwe senya kan for ni ye nipa ye ni enkaibo for meje nkanfo asase ya mfanye na yensi foma enkaibo hini enkobisi na hini ewo nkran ho woni nam kran ho se wo ye king eye den ye wo king takite yes how another king ewo asase ba akoso. How is that possible? There were a lot of things e was nkanfo mo force mo energy than Akwaaba oba turu. Instead of you to fight over slogans, fight over unity.
And that make us say Kwame Nkrumah museum mo nyina na yeso Obake ana wo ho ye Akwaaba na firi ho ma ense mebre na no ana akoso na enano da kwasi ada ya etwam ya na Prophet Kofi Oduro tie undia obetie papa yi ejina na sorry dem na okasa kire ne sorry ma na okiri mu se na nzani na otu kwanu akohu eye technologies ni ne ma kesi a eboa eye amanwodo sonso Ghana ha oba na de ye ko ho ani Obake ne tribe ho ade ne ye.
When I look at the debate this week we are here debating over pettiness like a name, a term, fighting over nonsense. That is what we are experts of. We fight over nonsense. There are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve their language to be printed anywhere. All of them. They deserve that. In fra Dagate, Dagare, Sisala Kontonkuli, Nanumba. They all deserve. We shouldn't have any kind of dominance of some kind of ethnicity who wants to dominate all the time. Fairness, equity, that's the gospel of Jesus Christ. Treat your brother well and fair. What you don't want us to do to you, don't do it to your brother. Simple. You are not the only people who will always be receiving attention. That is not Christianity. More, there's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that nonsense is that. Everybody deserves the attention also. It's sometimes interesting, you know, what the Bema could have been so then papa. First question, offering say, mommy, offering say, come on, offering say. We have not told you our history. When I married a Kwel boy, married a Krobo girl for 4 years, we had what we had never seen before. The problems they gave us, you will not believe. And then waware Kroboni. Ensemunu, onameno kotena. Fansemunu gina, onameno kotena. One day I stood here and they said, Obia umpe Kroboni, don't come back. Is here Biao? You are bringing your nonsense pettiness to the house of God. As soon as you bring it to the house of God, and we are purporting useless stigmatization and stereotypization against innocent people. Adenya oya igbeni aden oya nkreni aden oya kontonkolini ofri sirim ofri hen. Stop it! Offering him. You will have people who have no Christ in them say things that oh you pepe ni. Pepe. What is pepe? Pia! What is pepe? Pepe ni. I know what you're saying. So now we are not even looking at brains. We are not looking at character. We are now looking at Pepe. Pepe spirit. Pepe. Bemen winyam fo jina wenim. Yede yem pepe pefo. Na mope hefo. Hefo na mope. Pepe ni. Unya. Historically, certain tribes had to go and marry from another tribe to have certain stature and certain form and structure of people. Tells me that everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Now let me bring it to the main message and the core message and push it this way. This is not the time for pettiness, like petty party, political, vindictive nonsense. We don't need it. Or your MPP, or your MPP in TDA, or rights or joining MPP, or rights or share MPP atadia, or right to that, or your NDC, or rights or your NDC. It does not stop us from relating as brothers and friends. It's just a political party which is here now and it will be gone tomorrow. Because CPP and Debbie Baba, they will not even have an assemblyman. You will not believe. They have out of all the seats in parliament. There is no CPP there. MPP ebetwamo and NDC subetwamo. Look at the way the world is going. As this generation, your child's generation, very soon they will not be ready for this nonsense we have. MPP this, MPP that. Yeah, mano, they don't care. I'm telling you, they don't care. This is why you are seeing about to occur. Dynamics, demography, is changing. First, no, I ma touch light. T-shirt near to about and more near to about now. The demography have changed. First, you know, we President Fatano. Now it's not like that. At the end, so they are not looking at paper spirit. Yeah, they are looking at performance, leadership. If politicians are look at even the Ghana Bar Association, look at even the judicial system of Ghana. Yes, you will be a lawyer. They are looking for character. They are looking for certain demeanor. They are looking for a caliber of heart and intention. Be ansana with me a lawyer for no character. How much more God when it comes to the Christians? God in our own discipline. God in our own people who are polished, who are refined and order. If you are looking for liars, come to church. If you are looking for pretenders, come to church. If you are looking for tricksters, supplanters, perverts, come to church. Ingrates, ungrateful people, come to church. Ungrateful. They will have free, so will be the kukuru netna baby out. They will have free. They will have free. Ungrateful. I have never seen a place where there are so many ingrates. Ungratefulness. A shana no one okay. On many ya no one. They will have free. And this is why you are seeing all kinds. You will be at now. For 15 years, Afiaso, oh, Medofo, where dear, I check the Aketuabia, the Makumaso, I'm the chow. We year winning it for 5 years, you have not bought anything for her. But I will tell more day. It will go back to now, sorry, demo. You find your meal some near the table.
Abusia na Prophet Kofi Oduro ensem ni bi eno na papa ne kasem no ana wo kire mu so oba Ghana han kamera koyese as a tribe we person omo kenta o man kronkron ma Ghana nyina so na chese yesi agutia wo enumunura na asante asem ana oka na eno ana anya Kwame Nkrumah Tikese de na wo kire mu se hen ha da bi untumi be kasa nti asante fomfa wo hu disa Prophet Kofi Oduro wo no wo tietia mu gu asore dem wo no he wo KFM wa bi station no kura ma wo no ya asante ni despite no ene Kwame Nkrumah Tikese kika bi chere ne pa
mete sa sofo Kofi Oduro di o preach wa ha no alabaster
and why dey
oka social media ogina na so dem mo ka se one tribe person o mo lord over all Ghanaians
ja
na oka Akwaaba ne Obake se whatever no me pa cho mo ma Kofi Oduro asonte se wata asantefo a we dey wagufu big time.
Oh, Nana Samu.
Yes. Meanwhile, we are Kwani. Kwafaya Santefo. So politics now we are your politics in Pacho. Akwaaba no, yeah, Asantefo. And the Kobo, what we call Kotoka International Airport. So what they? And if you told giddy, you know, one person as Santefo kono. Yeah, they. Which was say Kwame na da Roma e na be preach wo ha no pa mankrofo tie wo radio na nya bie na ka wo bie wo die
ana abotre
enya abotre onu so nya abotre adai enna Akwaaba no pa cho asantefo nko na eka so ko wuntintini efife woni de wanu ma yanim no de be ha adai Akwaaba na Santefo nko na eka awu ha wani eti kaseti Santefo no the opportunity on the radio so no ye de ani Akwaaba na Santefo na eka Santefo nko na eka wo awu kasa no wo ye kwawuni no wo nka bi do baby ansamfo akwa all in the name of religion.
And I'm for you now,
I some fun mem.
Hey,
and some fun brem.
Ajibreo.
no
Okay, FM. Once.
enyamesam na wo ka no eno ne asantefo na ade yesi waso dem won Akwaaba ye ne rekobo ho me ba cha Akwaaba bunufo nka bi
omuka
akuapemfo nka bi
omuka
achimfo nka bi
omuka
krobofo nka bi
fantefo ka bi
fantefo ka bi wo ye kwawuni kwafo ya asantefo eti chese die na eye wahiya wo ya wo satan wo bi fa ho bai mon kan che no kan bi asantefo eso be ka bi a kire no won fra sante a won kwafo amon kan Akwaaba
kofo ka
mfifire ti wa wani abeye asantefo ya ka kire say ye be lord over bi
na
asantefo no pese ye lord over all the people pacho ya kasi ye be president na di mo fa me ye
na me bitse o Akwaaba
ade be nso nsamfun no na wo the station na akasa so do kasa so Nigeria ni dia on kabi kire ye be kabi a kire wo so fo Kofi Oduro enya adwobre bia ade
na Akwaaba iba ye
Akwaaba ye asantefo na rekobo ho
na me po me ka say in recent times ekukuru ye no still asantefo insist say ye mane mo me ye
ye fa mo bai o pa te ko ba alabasta ho te ko te Akwaaba no fa ko ba alabasta ho o pa te Kofi Oduro o pa te ko ba alabasta ho obi anso okurum ha o adai obi amana no so asantefo kan ne me pepa ne sese obi nlord over obi a ene ka ha hu pichie no ja ne ko bia alabasta radio
Okay, FM.
se ni bia nya bia na bia ne ko bia
0.7.
adai say asantefo ne pese lord over all yi yasraw ye ka bi ye je be ka bi a kyerɛw nana konim
na asante dotiri yi a na nanom asase yi na nakọ asante mantema yi nkro titru Kumasi mu a na daje ni posuo na ba ko bi a mehu ye abamu bi a wodi mfirinsia nkron 9 years a wo ye konfo
debi obi ho a akom ye nhyedan ye se me pese me kom se bosum no wo fi a de opa no ofa no
to ofa wo a wawofo no mu ni se wia
debi koya bi wo kora na ye be wo no na wo twa mpese
odi free efunum
yes koya bi wo nso a ye be wo no ye kwosere no bosum ho na bosum no de ba na ba wo de ba ne ba bosum no fa ne ye ne de wo no afa no
na akura no yes
no me wafa kwa bena nyina ye wo no nge
no kutabodua
trese eje na sabre no uba mampoje tia se esie wadro na esie wadro ajama wadro obenfo be die wura mumani ni mumra sabre no owia no no atia sidwe no owia no sakosa
oya akura na afi na owia no
yes
ye no o chase kom wo yefunum
an chase kom wo yefunum
na nza sa
na no tete wono yese bebi disa kwamfa na che ye wo na kosua hye ne semse
na sansem we no aya mo kan me nyiwu achinje because John the Baptist Bible tata me anyim no na won konkron ase ne ma
sa won konkron no ebre kisoso ma ye no eno ne akom
na na obwa
na nei said na uti na natie ye nam ba jotie ye nam nananum so na ekonyankopon nche ye nam nananum eti ye kunsa ye so otufo twedi amponsa asase ya bonia musumun sali nananum samanfo mumaje nsa no
ye yin Kwame Nkrumah pa ye
no sasa
la am se obrafo kra na boy twedi ampon Kwame ensa osoro ni asase ya ensa nananum samanfo so ensa ye yin Kwame Nkrumah pa ye na akoda 9 years na wase batakari pa na se do su twa no na batakari I just round sa as a merry go round.
Me obi ascending. He was I don't agree with you. Kofi Oduro was expressing his view on national issue. Allow him to express his view. Me can't was expressing his views. Was a one tribe.
But the tangent na no dey fa no.
What do you mean by are? Ekutia unimba yesu enimbo pa.
And you say kutu say bam.
You are talking about Akwaaba.
0.7.
And I can one tribe. Why I can for no any one tribe. I came for wem. Are they? Who is in what is I day?
Na nanti me bi say question say.
Are there who cast or expressing the views? One must have me way no. Kutia be any new.
Na me bi say bi kura say sa Akwaaba nsense me buy na dan Asanteman council the kra ta ba say emo bi anyi mfiri o yema no mbo.
Na mpacho Mr. Fred. Men can say me no expressing you. Me so asantefo. The word is asantefo. Ya Akwaaba na ye kobo ho. Ya ne ye Akwaaba no kobo ho. Anansa se wo Ghana ha nyina se mo mfama ye.
Abusia na ensem ni bi eno no menne okọ tentan kese no so a generate control obia wan hu sese emu achi bi no bi true support say ye fua no so Prophet Kofi Oduro nsem bi wo ha entwa yi eno ya manfo nsem omurika enyem nsem yo na Obake ye de asem be pa na ye be koso so de ne de akiri na de beto from bia no ye be so mo kasa fidie so ye from Dan Kwesi Prince me se so ba no subscribe no share na busuya na timi akoso akonanim na before me jamo mekra mo ame akono o ye company brands individual ankran adwumaku a opese o advertise e o daily view gh kasa fidie so no ya homa trofo ne do screen so fa test WhatsApp frame penifo ye beje penie ne wabonkomo age brasa adaje abo nyuma hu de wura to nyuma de nyuma hu adanse ade ya kire wiase na obi anso ehu de o ye ewo kwaso ye ho advertising wo ehu hia frame penifo numbers na ene ye bonkomo ya me yadoma da se ne biem e bi de ehye mu makraw.